Happy Tuesday, everyone. Christine here from Unique Sapphire. I'm so glad that you're here because guess what? I taught myself something with this. You want to go check it out? Let's go see. All right, so I taught myself how to do some Tunisian crochet, if that's, or Afghan crochet. Let's give it a whirl here. So with any crochet, and I'm using a really hopefully bright contrasting color here for you, we're gonna chain an even amount of stitches. Okay, now when you turn your chain over, you'll see we're going to be working in these bumps. And at first it's kind of awkward, at least it was for me, to pick up the bumps. And you leave them on the hook. You can just yarn over and pick it up. Front to back, yarn over, pick it up. And of course, I'm still fumbling with my crochet, but that's all good. So I've got 10 loops now on my crochet hook. So we're going to yarn over and chain 1, yarn over again, and we're going to pull 2 loops through. And we're going to continue on that. Just yarn over, pull 2 loops through. And then you'll have something that looks like this, almost like a ladder. And what we're going to be doing is working into the second one from your hook. And you're going to go from left to right. This is what is known as a simple stitch. Yarn over and bring it up. Oops, I forgot to put my phone on silent. Again, go from front to back, yarn over, pull it up. Do not disturb, on. Bye. See you later, right? Let's get back to this. So that's pretty simple, a simple stitch, right? All the way to the end. Yarn over, chain 1, and repeat the reverse, going backward until you have 1 remaining on your hook. And there you got your ladders back again. So in my swatch that I didn't just do a simple. I did what is called a twisted rib stitch because I wanted to learn something that almost looks like knitting because I love to knit, but I also want to up my ante in the crochet world. So some people think that Tunisian crochet is not really crochet, it borders line on knitting. So I figured, why not? Let's give it a try. So for the swatch that I did in my Lakeside in the fall, I did, first one was a simple. Second one is I put the hook over. Let's see if I can get this to work and show you. And all I did was push it up and turn it to get that bar twisted. And then yarn over and pull up a loop. Again, the next one was a simple. And then after that was a twisted. So it pulls it up. And what that does is it brings those two together. Let me get you the swatch here. You can see it better on this one. All of these are like pulled together that look almost like a knit stitch with the V. Very reminiscent of a knit stitch and a purl. This does make a very dense fabric, so that's why I was doing a swatch. And I'm thinking maybe some pillows for this. But same principle applies all the way across your work. Go into from left to right, yarn over. Next one would, like I said, you'll find your own little happy place with this, but I just found that if I pull the hook up and just give it a twist, it pops right up there. The only thing I found disheartening, because I tried multiple different combinations. One side of the fabric, let me get the other swatch again. One side of the fabric looks like 2 knit stitches right in a row. The other side of the fabric looks like this. So I tried different multiples of numbers of stitches to try to get the sides to match up, and I just can't seem to figure it out. But I will one day, just not today. So that's why I was thinking, if I make 2 big squares, sew them together, put a zipper or some snaps on the bottom, because like I said, this is a very dense fabric, and put a pillow form in there, that would make a great accent pillow for fall, wouldn't you think? All right, again, reverse side for this one is, again, just chain one and bring it back through. It's pretty simple, pretty repetitious, just like a typewriter. Kind of digging this. How about you? And that's all there is to it, just repeating up and picking up and then going back and taking those loops off. Hope you get to try this soon. So there you have it. For all you crocheters out there that wish you could knit and want to try out some knit stitches, go for it. Let me know how it works out for you. I hope the tutorial helped a little bit. I'm not the greatest out there, I'm not the worst, but we all have to learn somewhere, don't we? And if anyone has any ideas on how I can get my fabric to match up from side to side, please comment in the comment section below. I'd love to hear from you. All right, that's it for today. As always, please like, subscribe, and comment in the comment section below, and hit the bell to be notified for when I post a new video. It does help and it is appreciated. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace.